Why are fish so smart? Because they swim in schools. You're welcome.
Look what I just reeled in!
It just happened.
Yay!
We were just on a live stream on the channel.
And I was saying, wish me luck, guys, that I catch a fish. I did.
She got one. Nice one.
This is the biggest fish I've ever caught.
She's like, I just started to move.
Yeah, and then I was feeling it yank, and then my line was like ripping. And he's like, you got weeds? I'm like, I don't know, it's either weeds or a fish.
And I was like, yeah, it might
Look
be
at this
something.
sucker.
Yeah, let's check them out.
Wish we had a measuring tape. He's big.
Yeah, he's nice.
Yay!
All right.
Okay, maybe I should hold the camera.
I think I'll shut it off to get a hold of him.
Okay, I'll hold the camera. Will you get him? Unless you need my help.
I could probably do it, but it just may take a minute.
Okay.
We'll just get this sorted out and then show you.
Ha!
Cool, eh?
Yay!
Deadly. Love it. See this net? He's biting it, see?
Oh, yeah.
Get the net out of his mouth here.
My first fish on this lake.
Set him in.
Okay.
Set him in nicely. Set him in. Yeah.
I just went and got my fishing license today too. So that's super exciting. And I was like, I need to get out tonight. I know we're gonna catch a fish because I heard there was monsters in this lake. And I was determined we would get one. So I'm excited.
Yeah.
I put my own worm on and I even held him for the first time. I don't think I've ever held one like that. I was kind of scared, honestly, because he has teeth, but I'm glad I did it. And then, yeah, I was worried I didn't shake his tail when I threw him back in the water. And Jeremy was like, you're supposed to shake his tail. But then he woke up pretty fast.
Hold him. He came around.
Yeah, he did. So that's cool. So, yay.
Yeah, cool.
We are on our way to pick up a roll bar for that Jeep that we have. It did not come with the roll bar, and it has been very hard to find one for that year that'll fit on there and that'll be somewhat original, I guess. Original to that year.
It's original to a CJ7, but it's not original that year. The 76 had the roll bars just mounted on the wheel wells, where the later years had them in front of the wheel wells and then back to the wheel wells. Now you'll see.
Yeah.
This one's from an 85, I think, which were similar, I think, from 79 or 80. This one's like the CJ5 ones they used to have. Or the one that would have been on it. It's similar. But a CJ5 one, so wouldn't work too, it'd be too narrow. Anyways, this one will be...
It'll work.
If you were four-wheeling with this hard, this would be an upgrade. So.
Right.
But this was what we found, so at least it'll be cool.
So, like I said, it was really hard to find one. So we found one online in British Columbia, and the guy mailed it to us. So it's just arriving at the courier right now. So we're on our way into the courier to go pick it up and take it home, and we'll put it on the Jeep, and you'll see the new addition to the Jeep. All right, so we got that bar. We kind of had to jam it in there, as you can see, but we're on our way home with it. That was fun. While we were there, we took a trip into Costco. Look at that, lots of good stuff. Now we're gonna go home and see about getting this bar back out of the back of the truck. That'll be fun. All right, so it has been raining for 3 days straight, and our boat is down at the marina. So we're gonna go down there today and have a little peekaboo and hopefully It's not flooded and underwater, but we're gonna go drain the bilge and yeah, look and see what it looks like. Just a little bit of water in it. That's good. That actually worked well.
This is not actually a mooring cover.
No, we don't have a real mooring cover, so we just had to make do with what we had because we don't feel like spending a couple $1,000s on one. Now this puddle. And down goes Daddy.
Well, that didn't work.
No, I could tell that wasn't gonna work, doughhead.
That made it worse.
Let's see how you do this one, bud. Oh.
Good way for me to fall in.
Yeah. I'm getting it on video if you do. See guys, we're saving up for land. We don't got money for a mooring cover. Now look at us. Frig. Ugh. Seems scary. Oh, something's coming.
A lot of it went in.
Yeah. You're sanding in a puddle. You're sanding in a puddle, but that's okay.
Next time we do what I say to begin with. You tell them that?
What? What'd you say?
Bring the
Bring
siphon.
a siphon. Oh yeah, he did say that.
Pretty rare.
He said to look for the siphoning hose, but we didn't. Well, you could have looked for it yourself.
No, I said when we got here we're going to need it as soon as I saw it.
Oh, right. Or a
Like,
bucket.
"Oh, I was going to say, well, that. And you guide me the wrong way again. And I'm stupid enough to always listen.
Yep.
And it never works.
It literally worked.
There's freaking like 8 gallons of water in there.
Isn't that why we have a bilge pump?
Well, why even put this on?
I don't know. Protect it from poop.
You hold the boat.
Hold the boat? Okay.
Like in the front.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's really draining. Guess there's a bit of water in there.
There definitely would be now. I just dumped the whole pile in there.
Getting wet. It's like the Austin Powers movie where he's peeing. Just doesn't stop. Thank God tomorrow we're gonna get sun. Holy, there's a lot. You see the water line on there? It's already drained out, like, I'd say at least 6 inches, and it's still going. See, it's above, the water line's above those 2 holes. Right there, above that. Where it was, where the boat was sitting with all that weight. It's been draining like 5 minutes.
You hear it. Yeah.
Finally stopped. Holy mackerel.
Must have been 10 minutes.
Musta.
All this.
What, the boat?
Yeah.
It's sitting a lot higher now. The water line, it's like where the boat was, see those 2 things there? It was like, those were fully covered underwater when we first got here. So it drained a lot out.